What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me again today. I got sent some pretty cool hood struts for the 2023-2024 Honda Pilot, whether you have the Trail Sport or any trim level. I'm going to go ahead and install them, show you how that's done. It's pretty simple, and I'm excited to put these on. All right, we're gonna use a 10mm socket. We're gonna loosen this bolt right here underneath the hood. All right. Using the same bolt that comes with your vehicle, you're gonna take their washer and the little bracket that comes in the kit. Put it right through, and you're gonna place it right back, right where it was. Alright, here's that hole that already is in your vehicle. You're going to take the kit, the little ball joint that comes with your kit, and your washer. It also comes with your nut to secure it on the other side. Gonna go ahead and tighten that down from underneath with that socket that's there, with that bolt. Then you're gonna take your strut, clips right in, clips right into the bottom one, and that's your installed strut. And you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. There are your two struts installed. So now your hood is being held up by the two struts. Not needing to use this anymore. Let's see how it does. Oh yeah. So I'll put the company's name and the description of the product with the link in the comments below. Go ahead and check them out if you're interested in something like this. Find it very convenient for me. I'm always working under the hood and doing stuff on this car. So if you've been watching some of my videos already and you haven't clicked the subscribe button, go ahead and click and follow along. I try to provide the best content that I can regarding the Pilot Trail Sport and just all the trips that we take, all the modifications I'm doing for this rig, and just how it's convenient for our family and kind of how we use it. So by subscribing and liking, it helps us as a family and also to bring more content to you. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below.